I mean, should we add a light to the scene and make it dramatic? Where is he? Can we get a spotlight on him? So Shift A, light. Actually, no, I kind of want it. Let's move that up here. Yeah. Okay, so Shift A, light, spot.
Are we rendering it?
We're going to have something for a screenshot for today.
Okay, I will help you render them.
I will probably give him a bit of a floor as well. I'm wondering why on this light, have we given it?
It's because of the render modes, probably.
Oh, what, the Eevee versus thingy, or hey, Biscard?
No, you can still see the light in Eevee, but I don't know which. Okay, you're on that one, but we changed the settings for it, right? Can you play with those again?
I didn't change many.
Really?
I changed the strength on one of them.
Okay, on this one it works.
What, on this one? Is that definitely working?
Maybe the light power is not enough, so switch back to the other mode and so select the light. Okay, you have this light selected, but there's a light tab. Yeah, there on the button.
Yeah.
The power.
Yeah. Here we go. It's coming. Okay, so we should also add in a
the armpit lighting. Yeah, and that's also important, I guess.
give him something to stand on, shall we? So we can see the spotlight. That's what I wanted. Oh no! Don't move that.
Oh no! Drowning.
A sad way to go.
Drowning in a plane. You can get the plane bigger.
Can you get that? Okay, right. So let's look at.
For the rendering preview, I usually use the animation tab to also move the camera and see both the preview result and the scene together.
Okay. I'm just going to quickly add one more
light.
Yes. Like just a normal light. Shift A.
Directional?
Yes. Light. No, sun. That's the one. Let's move this up. I can't remember how the direction works.
Yeah, like that, but maybe face it towards his face.
Yeah, just don't want it too bright either.
The positioning is not important, but the rotation.
Oh, right, really? It's because it comes from everywhere. Okay, does it?
You still move the light. Yeah, it looks okay.
So this rotation I find quite hard to.
Try RZ.
RZ, did you say?
Yeah.
That's just to rotate, just on the z-axis sort of thing, the direction. Now I feel, yeah, I find this so fucking flipping hard to use. It doesn't massively matter, I guess. Sorry, people, I've missed a bit of chat as well. Modify what were you on about? Sorry, Hef, 5 minutes ago. Oh, 2 pointers on the armpit. Sorry, I only just saw that you said that. Anyway, so Brain, you were saying earlier about into the animation tab, is it?
So switch to proper render modes. Yeah, and so now you can find the camera.
I don't have one, I don't think.
Okay, then I will need to add
one. Okay, so I've got the camera.
Can you switch back to another view and switch back to animations? It's not okay. Is it following the camera, the view on the right? Because it does on my end. When you move the camera, okay, where is your camera looking at?
It's looking down at the. I just added it anyway. I didn't.
Okay, it doesn't actually. I don't know how to change it so it follows that camera.
Find this stuff so
probably
clunky.
People in the chat know about it.
I think I saw it in a tutorial quite recently, actually. Something you can do with the camera. I can't remember what it was though. Oh, the right, okay, about getting the pixel like textures onto 3D models. Thank you, Did. Rotation is based off your current camera angle, so going to frontal side view. Yeah, that's a fair point actually. I wasn't, that was for earlier you were on about, but still. Let's get this camera working first, Uno, and then I will add another light thing. So I'm trying to get it so that I can actually control the camera. Can't remember how it's done.
Blender, set camera as main or something, I don't know. Set the active camera. Okay, from the menu, 3D viewport header, view camera, set active object as camera.
View.
Cameras, set active object as camera.
Okay.
Okay, but this wasn't what I was looking for.
I guess it kind of does the job, does it?
Is it? Because it's not changing the result on the right hand side.
Okay.
Okay, I did the same thing on the left. Yeah, the lines icon. View cameras.
Okay, and then when I move it in this scene, yeah, it shows how it looks rendered. Okay, I see.
So on the right scene, you can go to viewpoint. Viewpoint camera, and so you can move the camera like that.
Like around in this way, you mean?
Yeah. This is better in my opinion, but I mean, if everyone has their own.
Yeah. No, that's the orthographic view is so weird as well.
Yeah. Just do middle mouse button to break out.
No, it stays in.
Weird.
Another section above your hierarchy that shows your camera view. Oh, like up here, is it? Interesting. Thank you for trying to help, by the way. Right, Uno, let's go and add you a light in, like you said. So you wanted another one. Here. Shift A, light. Did you say another point light? Did you say, Uno? Soft point light. Okay, so let's go straight. And let's rotate it on the X. Point at him. I really can't see where this is looking at the moment.
I'm gonna turn some soft point lights in my room.
Okay. I really can't see which way this is rotating. This doesn't seem to be doing anything. Soft point rotation doesn't do anything. It's a point light. So
Today it's super foggy outside. It's like a scene from Silent Hill or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bring it closer to the character. So it's just a light in a point in space, you're saying? Sorry, point light to me sounds like pointing in a direction, but that's not how it works, I'm guessing. So if you bring it closer and then we give it less strength, we can bring it down under here. That would be a... What did I do? I thought this was a spotlight. Anyway, I think I understand. Well, we kind of had a blue light on the other direction.
Perfect. He's watching TV.
Yeah.
So there's a grid icon on the right. Yeah.
That's it.
Does it change the orthographic?
Yeah.
Cool. X or Y.
Or just not Z.
Double X or double Y?
Ah, yeah.
Change to local.
Yeah. I don't even know what angle I want. That'll probably be fine anyway.
Yeah, it looks good. Maybe a little closer. I'm not sure.
So we want to go move it. So G on its local. I don't know if it's X or Y. No. Z. Okay.
Oh.
I must have twisted this camera around something awful.
Yeah, this looks okay. You ready to? Okay, like actually, right now we can switch to cycles, maybe.
Okay. Where's that in?
Second one. Yeah. And so we can add some.
Hey, Flodden, by the way, nice to see you. I find this light is probably...
I don't remember where to add the denoiser though.
Wait, to add the what? Sorry, mate?
Denoiser.
Make it less noisy, is it?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, there's a bit, yeah, where you say... Oh, crikey.
They also added a new denoiser algorithm on Blender 2.8.
Is it the sampling render thing? Number of samples to render for each pixel. Performance. Oh.
Okay, so the fourth option, fourth tab. Yeah. On the very bottom, there's denoising. Enable it. It's not gonna happen here. It will work in the render.
Okay.
As far as I know, I'm not sure. So in the output properties, maybe you can change where to output. The third option, the third tab, very bottom again.
Yeah. What did you say? Maybe we can change what? Sorry.
The output, which directory you want to.
Oh, so this
it.
like where we're saving it and stuff, is it?
Yep.
Oh, where did I save my other stuff? Modeling.
Oh, by the way, also, do you have that option?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tab, the world tab.
Yeah.
World properties. Let's try ambient occlusion on. Ambient occlusion.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay. It changed the whole lighting settings, right? That sucks. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe disable it.
But we could also put in some volumetric fog.
Oh
no. Why not? I can't remember how I did it. I saw it on some video thing before, but yeah, it was. Oh, what did you call it? It's something like diffuse or. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, let's go just render it.
Okay, so do we go to rendering tab? I see this at the moment, which I don't.
Well, you don't have to. You just go to like file, edit, render, and render image. Not file. It's next to file and edit.
Why can't I see render?
Not in edit as well. Next to edit, there's a render.
Oh, sorry. Building for us people is building.
Yeah, and it's also denoising, as you can see.
Yeah. But a noise makes it look authentic anyway, it's fine. It's a beautiful creature.
Guess you didn't select the GPU option.
Oh.
Cycles, but that's fine.
No, but
this is not an animation, so.
I should have though. No, Florian, we're doing like a monthly game dev challenge where we try and learn new things about different aspects of game dev which aren't programming, but they can involve programming, but aren't just pure programming stuff. Just to enjoy things, get ready so we can perform better in game jams using Unreal, and just to have a bit of fun.
Okay, you should see this image in your directory that you.
Oh, it should be there now, is it? Okay, let's go and have a look. I might have the folder open already.
I don't know why you kept the plane small. I told you to get it bigger, but
Oh, what? Because you can see the background. Yeah, I didn't know what. I made it bigger. I didn't know what you meant exactly.
Yeah, it's okay.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to do it again.
No, it's fine. But
You've pointed it out, and now I can't unsee it. And also, I want to turn on the GPU for the rendering. There, isn't it? Although my CPU is probably yeah. Anyway, right. That's saved, but we need to make this because Brainoid was unhappy with it, and I understand. Scale it on everything but Z. Here you go, Brain.
Thanks a lot.
I feel. How did we do it again? Was it in view?
What?
Viewport camera. There you go. Perfect. So then we go render image. Let's see if it's much quicker. The GPU instead.
You can also optimize it through like changing the circle, not circle. You can see the boundaries of those squares. You can scale them up to get it faster, like with less resolution.
Oh, right. I see what you mean.
Less detail.
Yeah. That's all good.
Where are the normal maps? We don't have a high poly version of this, so no normal maps.
Oh yeah, normal maps is something we need to include somewhere in this as well. Sugar. Well, it's okay for now. It'll do. It's a step forward. And finally, I got to see a bit of UV unwrapping, although I do feel totally like I would just be doing that auto-generate. But yeah, so we should have this in our folder now. Open file location. Where's the images? Oh, I don't think we have. Where did I say it was going?
Can you do an image and save in the render window?
Possibly.
Because
yeah,
animation is saved automatically, but it's not the same with the image.
No, these aren't. There we go. No, everyone says, should I smooth the edges? I don't want to smooth the edges. It's not meant to be smooth. It's meant to be a clunky piece of mess. But the fact that everyone says that makes me think that my design is bad. You can't have like low poly like that with drawn textures. I would have to do what I said before, where we just use flat colors and then just have like expression on the face change, which is probably what I'd rather do anyway. But,
no, I like the chest hair.
Of course. Okay.
Like it's inconsistent, and the pants don't have any detail.
No, it's well, they're just so clean, so clean.
He never got his pants dirty.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that may be true in some regards, Wormius, but I mean, it's not massively it's not that much to it in terms of you got a lot more detail down here than you probably would do, so that would be more in similar vein to this. But yeah, but there we go. Anyway, okay, sweet. So I think we are done for the day. Thank you, Brain. We did 5.5 hours, almost pretty much 6 hours actually. Thank you for giving me your time today and helping me through a bunch of this new stuff. Thank you as well, chat, as well for giving some help. We got basically what we said on the checklist to get done as well, right?
Yeah.
So I think UVing is something that I kind of forgot about, and I it's still not UVing normal maps. And so that's something that would probably be worth looking at.
I mean, you don't need normal maps anymore since you can just put the high poly version in Unreal 5.
But
it makes no sense to learn about normal maps nowadays.
Yeah. Well, okay, sweet.